how to log in Tonkeeper Wallet. If you want to log into your Tonkeeper Wallet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the Tonkeeper application. Now, if you do not already have a wallet, you can just tap on create new wallet. But if you already have a wallet and you want to log in, you have to import your existing wallet. So you can just tap on import existing wallet option. There are many ways to import from. You can import your wallet with a 24 or 12 secret recovery phrase, using a watch account, using a testnet account. You can pair it with Signa, pair with Keystone, or pair with Ledger. Depending upon how you have backed up your Tonkeeper wallet's recovery phrase, you can select that, simply enter the 24 or the 12 word recovery phrase that you have, and once you've done that, you can tap and continue in order to log into your Tonkeeper wallet account. This way you'll be able to log in Tonkeeper wallet. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.